what you're doing. ABCs?
Yeah, I be.
Yeah, all your alphabets. You wanna say it?
Yeah.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. A,
B, C, D, E,
B,
F,
F, G,
E,
H, I,
G,
J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U,
B,
W,
X,
Y, and
C.
now Y.
Now my ABCs.
Next time.
So, mommy.
Ah, you're being silly. Come here, let's do it sign language. A, B, C. Come on, let's do it. E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. You don't know how. Okay, let's do the sounds. A is for apple, and B is for ball. C is for
Cat,
D is for
dog,
E is for
and pet,
F is for
frog,
frog. G is for
gorilla,
gorilla, and H is for
hat,
hat. I is for
eagle,
igloo, and J is for
jacket,
jacket. K is for
grandma,
kangaroo. L is for lion. M is for
monkey,
monkey. N is for
no,
nose. O is for
papas,
octopus, and P is for
pig,
pig. Q is for
cushion,
question. Uh-oh, you dropped them. R is for
wing,
rain. S is for sun. And T is for
P,
T. T is for
T,
T. U is for
grandma,
umbrella. And V is for
Vicky,
Vicky, that's you. W is for W is for
wagon,
wagon. What about X? X-ray. Yeah, you forget that one. Y is for
yellow,
yellow.
kite,
And Z is for zoo. You did it, Mama. Give me 5. Woo! Knuckles. Yeah. What about, can you count? 1. No, take that out of your mouth. Come on, count. 1. Come on. 1,
2,
3,
4,
5,
6,
7, 8, 9, 10. You said it too fast. Come on, count. 1,
2, 3,
4,
5,
6, 7,
8, 9, 10.
10. Yay!